With Factorial, you can manage the hours your team works in a fast, simple, and flexible way. With our automated time tracking system, each member of your team can clock in and out of work and indicate which breaks they took throughout their working day. And they can do all of this from the computer, using our app, using a QR code, or even through our facial recognition functionality. Also, if your company's breaks are always at the same time, you can tell the system to automate them for your employees. Do any of your employees forget to clock in or indicate a break? No problem. In the Signing tab, they can indicate the correct time. In addition, they will be able to assign the projects they have worked on in the different time slots and add observations to their shifts. Easy, right? And as a responsible or HR manager, what can you do? Well, more than ever before, customize the time tracking policies according to the needs of your company. Have a global view of the hours that each person on your team has worked. Approve the transfers of your team in the period you choose. And download the reports you need with just one click. Our time tracking system helps you understand how your team's productivity affects your company's profits, allowing you to gain some peace of mind.